Welcome back everybody to a new YouTube video, and today it is overnight hours for June 20th, and today we'll be looking at the stock. Okay, so this is the stock chart for the Excel spreadsheet, and if you guys haven't noticed, we are in the dark mode of the snowy mountains on the Vision Pro in VR. I just wanted to change up the scenery a little bit. You know, the bright sky was a little bit too bright for my liking, so we're going to try to darken it up a bit. So the first on the list we have is NVDA. NVDA is trading at $141 overnight. If you bought calls on Monday or Tuesday, you'd be up a lot, okay? I bought a call on Tuesday for 131. It's 141. It shot up $10. Those calls are probably running a lot. NVIDIA's probably going to hit 200 soon. I would dump all your money into NVIDIA calls. You'd make a lot of money. It's a $200, $300 stock. Yeah, NVIDIA's the way. Number 2 on the list, we have Kava. Kava is also up on calls. So it is trading at $96.71. On the 1 week chart, it's up $6. Overnight, you know, this could probably hit 97 today, 98. If you bought calls on this, like, I don't know, like a month ago, when it was trading at 77, or even last week when it was trading at 88, 87, you'd be up a lot. You know, these are the plays I've been saying the past couple weeks, and if you followed my lead, you'd be making $40,000 to $50,000 in 1 week. Okay, that's like a person's salary. You're making a person's salary in a week just by following my trades. Okay, number 3, we have Costco. Costco is also one of the plays I mentioned that I would buy calls on. It's still a play to make calls on. It is trading currently at $8.73. On the 1 week, it's up $25. On the 1 month chart, $74. I see Costco at $900 by the end of the year. Yeah, buy calls on Costco too. You can even buy calls on Walmart. Walmart follows Costco's trajectory because they're both grocery stores and they both have a good amount of real estate in the United States. Walmart is $67.65. This might hit $68 tomorrow. Up 1 week, $1.31. You could probably buy calls at $70 calls that expire like January. You'd be up. And then 5th on the list, you know, GameStop. I wouldn't buy calls on this. Probably shares. You know, should hold. You could probably get a lower dip on this today. Maybe not. I think it could hit 23, 22. I think GameStop's going to go up eventually. And then 6th on the list is Apple. We have APPL. Apple is a tricky one, okay? Because, you know, I bought calls that were 220. So the only calls that I'm currently down, I have calls in each on one of these stocks, but the only calls I'm down on are GameStop and Apple. GameStop have a $29 call. I don't know if that's going to hit, but if it hits, alright, that's cool. But I also have a $20 call on Apple, which expires in January. You know, it wasn't looking too sharp last week. I think I bought in at 216 when I bought the call, and then it fell all the way down to 213, so now I'm down. I think it's going to go back up 220. If it is, then my calls will be up on Apple. I'm hoping for it. I think it will be. The only negative thing about Apple is that they stopped their buy now, pay later feature, which is going to allow loan services to get that market where Apple is trying to dig into. So now, since Apple doesn't have that pressure, now they're going to be losing some sales in that way because the stock price was projected on the buy now, pay later for the future sake. But since that's not happening now, and if I'm looking at these articles currently, Apple starts stock new beat fill next week. It'll cost $149. Okay, so new beat pills next week. Apple's good stock. Yeah, I think you buy calls on this. I mean, by the end of the year, I think it'll hit 220. AI, Apple, they have so much leverage. The iPhone hardware and software is spectacular. I think Apple will go up too. But yeah, these are my stock plays. If you guys have anything else you guys want to talk about, just let me know. Yeah, I'll continue to be trading on the Vision Pro. If you want to see anything on the Vision Pro, you want me to like open up certain apps, yeah, just let me know. I can open up certain things. I'm always open to exploring new tech features, whether it's in the new phones, computers, or VR headsets. Just let me know. I'll try to get back into that. I'm also going to be starting some new fitness videos because I'm also very into fitness. I almost go to the gym 5 to 6 times a week. I love going to the gym. Helps with my mental and physical health. So if you guys want to see those videos, let me know. I'll be starting to upload them soon. And yeah, that's it for me. Hope you guys have a good one.